Okay, today in this video we are going to discuss some problems from the solid state chapter. The first question is cesium bromide has BCC structure with edge length 4.3. The shortest interionic distance between cesium plus and the bromide ion is. Here the relation between A and the R in case of BCC is this one, and from here if we calculate 2R is equal to 2R will be equal to A root 3 divided by 2. Actually 2R is nothing but the distance between a body center atom and this is the body center atom and this is the corner atom actually. So this is the 2R is the distance between this corner atom and this body center atom. This is 2R actually. So this 2R is nothing but the radius. This is the cesium ion here, and this is the chloride ion. The distance between cesium ion and the chloride ion. This is the radius of cesium ion. This is the radius of what? Chloride ion. So twice R will be equal to radius of cesium ion plus radius of chloride ion. This will be equal to A root 3 by 2. 2R is written as radius of cation and the radius of anion. This is the interionic distance between cesium ion and the bromide ion actually, not chloride ion. Okay, now when we put the value of A, that is 4.3 and root 3 is 1.73 and it is divided by 2, the value comes out to be 3.719. So our answer will be A, that is 3.72. okay. Remember this relation. This is the interionic distance between the corner atom and the body center atom twice R. Okay, now in the second question, let me read the question. In a solid AB having the NaCl structure, A atoms occupy the corners of the cubic unit cell. If all the face centered atoms along one of the axes, this is one actually, here it is written on, this is one of the along one of the axes are removed, the resultant stoichiometry of the solid is. These are the options. So let us do this question. Now in a, this is the sodium chloride structure. This has a FCCX structure where the chloride ions are present in the corner as well as the face center positions. Okay, and the sodium ion occupies the edge center. Here sodium ion is present. So here if we remove the means from here to here, if this is one of the axes, then how many face center atoms or how many face centered chloride ions will be removed from here, and from here 2 chloride ions will be removed actually. Okay, so in NaCl structure, chloride ions are at the where corners and where the face centers, and the sodium ion, well the cations, sodium ions occupy the edge centers and the body center. Okay, so it is said in the question the body center ions are not removed, only the face center ions are removed. If all the face center atoms, which is chloride ion here, or we can say B here, okay, along one of the axes are removed, then the resultant stoichiometry of the solid is. Now we need to calculate how many chloride ion here, B. Okay, B, number of B atoms per unit cell will be equal to corner atoms are not removed, therefore corner number of corners is 8 and the contribution of corner atom is 1 by 8. Okay, this is 8 into 1 by 8 plus 2 face centers are 2 face center atoms are removed, so only 4 face centers will be left. So 4 into 1 by 2, this is the contribution of face center atom. This is 1 and this is 2, so number of B atoms per unit cell is 3. Okay, now A is not changed here, A will be 4 actually. A is the cation here. In if the structure is NaCl, then number of sodium plus ions will be A. Okay, that is sodium ions are present at where the edge centers. Edge center is 12 and the contribution of an edge center per unit cell is 1 by 4. plus body center 1, contribution 1. This comes out to be 4. Therefore, this formula of the compound will be A4B3. A4B3. Okay. So our answer is C, that is A4B3. Okay. Let us go to the third question. In which of the following crystals alternate tetrahedral voids are occupied? NaCl, zinc sulfide, next is calcium fluoride and the sodium oxide. This is fluoride structure, this is anti-fluoride structure, okay, and this is NaCl structure, and this is zinc sulfide structure, and the alternate tetrahedral voids are occupied in zinc sulfide structure. Okay, our answer is zinc sulfide. Please watch the video of structure of ionic solids by going in the playlist of solid state. Okay, so this will be our answer. Next the fourth question is the coordination number of a metal crystallizing in a hexagonal closed pack structure is in fact, in case of ICP, which is hexagonal closed pack, or CCP, coordination number of an atom, okay, in this structure is 12, and in BCC structure coordination number is 8, and in simple cubic coordination number is 6. Remember these numbers, and therefore our answer is 12. Okay, in ICP coordination number is 12. Okay, let us go to the next question. Next question is from defects. The correct statements, okay, the correct statements regarding defects in solids is or are. Okay, the options are, we need to choose the correct statements about the defects. Okay, the first option is Frenkel defect is usually favored by a very small difference in the sizes of cation and the anion. Okay, difference between, if the difference between size of cation and anion is small, that is there is no difference between cation and anion, the defect is Schottky defect, not Frenkel defect. In Frenkel defect there is a large difference between the size of cation and the anion, so this is not our correct answer. Second option is Frenkel defect is a dislocation defect. This is correct, because in case of Frenkel defect, the cation, which is of smaller size, usually dislocate from its lattice side to the interstitial void, interstitial side. So this is the kind of dislocation defect. This is correct. Okay, now option number C is trapping of an electron in the lattice leads to the formation of the F center. This is correct. This is the definition of F center. Okay, it is the anionic vacancy in NaCl or KCl, okay, which is occupied by the electron, that is F center actually. So this option is also correct. Now the last option is Schottky defects have no effect on physical properties of solids. Okay, Schottky defect is nothing but Na plus Cl minus Cl minus Na plus Cl minus one cation and one anion, or two cation or two anion, means equal numbers of cations and anions will be missing from the lattice side in case of Schottky defect. So this ion will be removed, this ion will be removed, for example, then there will be vacancy. Since there is vacancy in the solid, the ions will be able to move. So ions, when the ions are able to move, then their conductivity will be different, the conductivity will be increased. So conductivity is a physical property. So physical properties of the solid are defected by Schottky defect, and if we check the density, since the ions are removed or missing from the lattice side, mass per unit volume will also be decreased. Therefore density, which is a physical property, will also decrease. So here it is mentioning that Schottky defect have no effect on physical properties of solid, therefore this statement is wrong. Okay, so our answer will be B and C. It has more than one correct answers. Okay, next question is which of the following exist as covalent crystals in the solid state. This is actually, let me tell you, there are four types of crystalline solids. One is the first one is ionic crystal, and the second one is molecular crystalline solid, and the third one is covalent solid, and the fourth one is metallic solid. So iodine is a molecular solid. Actually, this is not a covalent solid. Silicon is a covalent solid. Okay, this is the correct answer. We can give the example of covalent solid or network solid as silicon or graphite, okay, or diamond. Okay, these are the examples of covalent or network solids. Okay, sulfur and phosphorus are not covalent or network solids, so our answer is B, silicon. Okay, last question is assignment for you guys. Please see the question. This is the 7th question, which is assignment for today's lecture. Let me read the question. Cesium chloride crystallizes in BCC lattice. If A is the edge length, then which is correct? Which of the following relations is correct? These are the options. You need to choose the correct answer, and please write the answer in the comment below. And thank you for today. Please like this video, share this video to your friends, and if you are new in the channel, then please subscribe this channel.